Give me 2 minutes and 49 seconds and I will teach you how to wash a house in a manner that a chimpanzee can understand. Downstream injector. Big fan tip. Mist the chemical on the house. If you're brushing the gutters, brush the gutters. Apply a second mist to the house. Switch the line from the chemical tank into the rinse bucket. Rinse, rinse, rinse. The shooter tip I'm using is 650 PSI, 0 orifice. The fan tip that I'm using is a 45-degree orifice, 250 PSI. When you see me cut across the screen, that's when I'm flipping my line from chemical to rinse. Okay? 2 applications. Wait about 60 seconds in between. This side is done. Boom. On to the next side. As easy as that. Same situation. Gutters, soffit, fascia with the shooter tip. Big fan mist. There's 1 application. Big fan mist. There's 2 applications. Throw the line from the chemical into the water to rinse. Put the shooter tip on, rinse it down. Always make sure to rinse the windows. Don't let chlorine sit on the windows. This side's done. On to the next. Same situation. Gutters, soffit. Big fan mist. You don't need to drill it with the chemical. You don't need to use the shooter tip and drill the hell out of the siding with the chemical. Mist the chemical up on the house. Put the line from the chemical into the water. Come back. Rinse. Now this is the west-facing side, so the west-facing sides here in the northern hemisphere usually don't have a lot of growth. So we didn't need to mist this side twice. Boom, this one's done. Let's move along to the last side. Same shit. Soffit. Fascia. Switch to the mist tip. Mist it up there. This is the south side. So again, not much organic growth. 1 application. Switch to the shooter tip. Rinse, rinse, rinse. And we are out of here. Just like that.